Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about Astros mission, which is new initiative of NASA and which will be using a football sized stadium for this mission. By this they will be sending a telescope into the space on a balloon. Space in the sense specifically it is stratosphere. Our atmosphere is divided into different layers like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Okay, the stratosphere is about troposphere is about 14.5 kilometer away from the earth, then stratosphere is about 50 kilometer from the earth, then mesosphere is 85 kilometer and the thermosphere is 800 kilometers away from the earth. And in this second layer, that is stratosphere, NASA will be placing its balloon carrying its telescope. This is above the layer through which the commercial flights are flying. Okay, so this is the area where NASA will be placing its balloon. This Astros mission. So let us see what is this expansion of the Astros is about. That is astrophysics, stratospheric telescope for high spectral resolution observation as sub-millimeter wavelength. Okay, from this expansion we can understand three things. One is this mission is about astrophysics. Okay, and second one is it has a telescope in it and which is using high spectral resolution for its observation. Okay, and the third one is that this telescope they will be placing in the stratosphere. All these things are to be noted, and this mission will be observing at a wavelength of light which cannot be seen from the earth, and will be trying to find the answers about the giant star in the galaxy, and also will be learning more about our galaxy Milky Way and the evolution of the galaxies. This will also study these two stars forming in the Milky Way, also detect and map the presence of two specific type of nitrogen ions, and it will also create the first detailed map of the density, speed and motion of gases in this region. Okay, so altogether we can say that this will be mainly focusing on different type of galaxies, specifically Milky Way. Along with that, it also have another target which is a young star which is surrounded by a wide disk of dust and gas where planets may be forming, and this name of this star is TW Hydrae. Okay, and the mission will be launched in December 2023 from Antarctica. Before starting the journey, the Astros will be spending about 3 weeks in the Antarctica region by drifting through the air current. Then with the help of winds in the stratosphere, it will fly around the South Pole and complete about 2 to 3 loops. Actually, they have chosen this balloon instead of other carrier because of some merits. Okay, lower cost of this balloon compared to other carrier is the most important advantage, and actually this is not the first time that NASA has been using balloon for carrying objects. But for this time, the size of this balloon is remarkable. Okay, and it's been about 30 years that NASA has been using scientific balloon program for various missions. Another advantage is that it will take only shorter duration between the deployment and planning of this mission, and most importantly, this can be used again in the future, because once the mission is complete, we can use or we can deflate the balloon, and with the help of parachute can bring back the telescope safely back to the earth. Okay, and so just we have to make an idea about what this mission is all about, and now and also have an idea how this information will be useful for India, because we are also good in terms of astronomical missions, as this mission is cost effective method. We can also use this in our future mission. So that's all about the topic. Thank you.